Ensemble. Platooning together. Today there are some 6.2 million trucks in circulation throughout the EU. They carry 73.1% of all freight transported over land in the European Union. But what impact do we see on the roads? How does it affect the journeys of other road users? In Ensemble, designing fail-safe and fault-tolerant mechanisms is a priority to ensure safe interaction both within the platoon and with other road users using secure wireless communication. The Vehicle-to-Smart Infrastructure Communication, or V2X technology, assists in the quick deployment of the platoon on the road and guarantees coordinated speed and rapid reactions in potentially dangerous situations for the platoon. Road authorities can benefit from platooning as the interaction and uptake of the platooning functionality can also accelerate the digitisation of vehicles and logistics. The communication protocol developed in Ensemble enables interaction between trucks of different manufacturers. Truck platooning increases road capacity when the volume of trucks in the total traffic is high, at around 20%. Traffic flow is also found to benefit more when truck platoons operate in traffic situations where trucks are predominant, for example in industry or port areas. To avoid negative impacts, such as congestion and bottlenecks, for instance, in road segments with many highway entries, hub-to-hub platooning and platooning at night can be good solutions. The European Commission, in the framework of Horizon Europe programme, has proposed a new public-private partnership to support the efficient development and deployment of connected and cooperative automated mobility, CCAM. The ambition of this partnership is to accelerate innovation in mobility in the EU and develop a shared innovation agenda. Ensemble's progress on platooning is another step farther in the mission to deliver innovative and sustainable mobility solutions for all. In 2016, the European Truck Platooning Challenge, ETPC, showed how the multidisciplinary teamwork between stakeholders was essential to realise this new form of truck platooning mobility.
In 2016, the truck brands, they already showed that they had the technology available for this platooning, and they did it in a mono-brand way. So brand by brand, they showcased this platooning technology. And this was done in the so-called ETPC event, European Truck Platooning Challenge event, in the Netherlands in 2016. So this was very successful, and it took a lot of attraction. And then afterwards they were wondering, what are now the next steps to be taken? So, one, make sure that there is a European standard that enables truck platooning on the road by combining all the brands together in a multi-brand approach. Two, ensure compliance with the existing road regulations, of course, so to ensure a quick adaptation on the road. So, three, they had the idea that whenever the trucks meet each other on the road, that they could immediately form a platoon, and on the fly, in fact, when they meet each other. And we call it ad hoc platooning. And the way we did it is we created a matching service behind it, so that whenever the truck meets each other, that they could platoon and that they could benefit from it.
Let us take you on the Ensemble journey. Truck platooning is the linking of two or more trucks in a convoy, using connectivity technology and automated driving support systems.
As the coordinator, I'm very proud that after almost 4 years of intense cooperation between truck manufacturers, suppliers and research institutes, we came to a common solution for multi-brand truck platooning, ready for further standardization. This means a step forward towards deployment of platooning on the roads, which in turn can bring improved road safety, reduced fuel consumption and efficiency gains in logistics. The mission of Ensemble was to pave the way for multi-brand platooning. Now the project has finished, we can see the success of the project because Ensemble has significantly improved the understanding of platooning and accelerated the development of the required technologies by aligning them for all European truck brands. The ensemble developments are an important, necessary and intermediate step towards a future autonomous platooning function that enables smaller following distances in a safe manner. As specifically, autonomous platooning is expected to bring more positive impacts and a good business case, accelerating these developments is of key importance, while at the same time considering vehicle technology, infrastructure, road operations, logistics, and of course, the professional drivers as the important end users.
After 3.5 years, months of testing, and many hours of alignment, Ensemble partners succeeded in demonstrating a 3-brand and 7-brand truck platooning.
Thanks to the excellent collaboration between all the partners in Ensemble, significant technology advancements have been possible, enabling trucks of different brands to communicate with each other for the formation of a platoon. The contribution of the suppliers involved has been fundamental for the creation of a communication protocol, leading to the implementation of the platooning functionalities in the different trucks and paving the way for smarter, safer and more efficient road transportation in future.
Platooning also affects the road infrastructure. The Ensemble study has shown that truck platooning will influence the wear of roads and bridges. The potential benefit of platooning is that the road authorities are given the possibility to influence the parameters according to which the trucks are driving on their pavements. In tunnels, the potential benefit of platooning is that it gives the possibility to decrease the current very large distances between trucks. This will lead to a higher flow of trucks through the tunnel and therefore to more efficient logistics around the tunnel.
In the spirit of Ensemble, all partners have played their part.
How did we achieve these important results? This was only possible when we had all the stakeholders involved and when they all cooperated. And that, in fact, we were looking at the most important, like the road authorities, the truck manufacturers, the suppliers and the logistics umbrella organizations.
Ensemble's achievements must be valued as an important intermediate step towards a future autonomous platooning function. Accelerating these developments is of key importance for realising vast business impacts. Ensemble. Platooning together.